I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best base for your stew using some bell pepper, some onion, thyme, basil, rosemary, and some other seasoning. You do not have to use the same seasoning. Use the seasoning of your choice. This is what I had in my cupboard, so this is what I'm gonna use. So you'd want to wash your bell peppers and some onions which were not captured. Take away the seeds, break them into chunks, add your seasoning to it, and you're ready to go. The trick of this stew base is that you do not want to cook your vegetables with water. Please do cook it with vegetable oil or cooking oil, whatever oil that you are used to, but do not use water. So I'll go ahead to add about 3 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You do not want to overload it, just enough to cook it into this. Give everything a stir, and I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes while stirring continuously. So about 10 minutes, this is what we have. It has cooked to my perfection. I think I even overcooked it, but it's fine. We'll go ahead to blend this. You can put this straight in your blender, but I do not have a blender. I use my hand blender. So I'm gonna blend this, and your stew base is ready for your jollof, for your chicken stew, for whatever stew that you're making. So that's it. That's the trick. I'll also show you guys how to make a stew base using just red pepper. But for now, this is the stew base that I wanted to show you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.